Hello students, in previous video I explained you the poem number 6, No Men Are Foreign, which is written by James Crirkup, and I explained this poem to you. Now today we go to thinking about the poem. Now thinking about the poem, students, the first question, first part, beneath all uniforms. What uniforms do you think the poet is speaking about here? Poet, take the line that beneath all uniforms, a single body breathes, like ours, the land our brothers walk upon. So this line, what uniforms do you think the poet is speaking about? Now in this question, the answer is, now probably the poet is speaking about the uniforms of armed forces of all different countries of the world. इस क्वेश्चन में स्टूडेंट्स पोएट ने यूनिफॉर्म जो वर्ड यूज़ किया है वो उस यूनिफॉर्म की बात कर रहा है जो सभी कंट्रीज़ के जो आर्म्ड फोर्सेस होती हैं, जो सैनिक बल होते हैं, जो उस ड्रेस को, जो यूनिफॉर्म को पहनते हैं. हियर the poet mentioned that uniform. Now first question, second part. How does the poet suggest that all people on earth are same? पोएट ने कैसे सजेस्ट किया है कि जो अर्थ में रहने वाले सभी लोग हैं वो सेम हैं? The answer is, the poet says that all people need sun, air and water. All are happy in peace and die for hunger in war. All people have eyes and hands, and all people sleep, wake, breathe, work and die. Here in this answer, poet tells us that all human beings need air, water and sun. सभी लोगों को सन, एयर, वाटर की ज़रूरत होती है. सभी शांति में खुश रहते हैं और जब वॉर होता है तब सभी हंग्री होते हैं. सभी लोगों के आईज होती हैं, हैंड्स होती हैं, सभी सोते हैं, जागते हैं, सांस लेते हैं, काम करते हैं और मरते हैं. सो देयर आर द सिमिलैरिटीज ऑफ द पीपल ऑन द अर्थ. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. In stanza first, find 5 ways in which we all are alike. Pick out the words. Stanza 1 में 5 तरीके बताए हैं जो सभी के लिए एक जैसे हैं, तो उन्हें हमें उन वर्ड्स को पिक करके लिखना है. तो फर्स्ट स्टेंजा जो है वो स्टूडेंट्स इज, रिमेंबर नो मैन आर स्ट्रेंज, नो कंट्री इज फॉरेन, beneath all uniforms a single body breathes, like ours the land our brothers walk upon, is earth like this in which we all shall die. Now answer of that question is, the first point is, each of us has a similar body, हम सभी के एक जैसी बॉडी है. all of us breathe, सभी सांस लेते हैं. all of us walk, सभी चलते हैं. all of us die, lie, here lie means die, सभी मरते हैं. and we live and die on the same earth, हम सेम अर्थ में जिंदा रहते हैं और मर जाते हैं. so there are the 5 ways in which we all are alike. Question number 3 is, how many common features can you find in stanza 2? Pick out the words. कौन कौन से common features हैं जो stanza 2 में मिलते हैं, उन्हें लिखना है. Answer is, we all need sun, air and water. We all live well in peace but starve during war. We all have hands and work with them. Question number 4. Whenever we are told to hate our brothers, when do you think this happen? Why? Who tells us? Should we do as we are told at such times? What does the poet say? Here in this question, the poet asks us so many questions that when do you think this happen? कि हम ऐसा क्यों सोचते हैं कि ऐसा कब होगा? क्यों? Who tells us? कौन हमें बोलता है? Should we do as we are told at such time? क्या हम सच में ऐसा करते हैं जब हमसे ऐसा करने को कहा जाता है? तो इन सब चीज़ों में पोएट क्या कहना चाहता है? The answer of that question is, whenever there is war, leaders tell people to hate the other country. They tell us to do so because their ego is hurt. But we should not do as they tell us. The poet says that if we fight against them, we do not harm anybody else. We kill, condemn, and betray ourselves. So students, these are the answers of that question. So you have to write it in your notebook.